Is this you? You've got some of the right pieces in place. Maybe your sales are rolling in, but customers don't stick around. Maybe your customer service is solid, but new leads, not so much. Or maybe your support system is strong. Your revenue could be better. You're doing a lot right, but something's missing, and that something is what's keeping you from growing faster, smarter, and easier. The answer? A complete system that connects sales, service, and support. Sales: attract and convert leads consistently. Service: what happens after the sale? Deliver and create an engaging customer experience that keeps clients coming back. Support: not tech support, but building strong relationships for long-term retention, raving fans, and non-stop referrals. That's the 3S sales and marketing system. This isn't a guessing game. It's not just another marketing hack. It's a proven strategy that turns small wins into massive growth. What is the 3S sales and marketing system? This system works across industries and helps businesses thrive in competitive markets. Why? Because when you get these three elements working together, your business doesn't just grow, it dominates. Capture, nurture, and close by turning more leads into paying customers. Enhance the customer journey to increase satisfaction and engagement. Create ongoing relationships to drive repeat business and referrals. Businesses that implement the 3S sales and marketing system experience higher sales conversions and revenue growth, stronger customer loyalty and retention, and more referrals and long-term business. The right strategy saves you time, increases efficiency, and maximizes results. How the 3S sales and marketing system works for you. Implement a structured lead capture process to fill your sales pipeline. Automate follow-ups to increase engagement, and develop a customer loyalty and referral program to help you generate more revenue. Customized solution for your business. For service-based businesses, product-based businesses, for your local business. Your business is unique, and so is our approach to helping you succeed. Here's how we do it. With our 90-day growth plan. Weeks 1 to 4, high-converting funnels, automated follow-ups, and a steady flow of leads. Weeks 5 to 8, strengthen customer engagement with automation and personal touches that keep clients coming back. Weeks 9 to 12, develop an ongoing communication and marketing plan. Stay in touch with newsletters, tips, and updates. Upsell and cross-sell with smart automation. Keep customers engaged with valuable content that builds trust and long-term loyalty. Each phase is designed to bring measurable growth. Real businesses, real results. More revenue, more freedom, more winning. We help businesses apply these proven strategies to drive real results. Now it's your move. You can keep pushing, keep guessing, keep hoping things improve. Or you can plug into a system that's already working and start seeing real results. Click below to schedule your free strategy call. Let's customize this system for your business and start growing together.